What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Show and Tech. So right around the corner, we have the official launch of the Galaxy S20 series. And as such, I know that lots of the flagship devices from last year are going to have some serious discounts. So I have with me the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is currently running Samsung's latest Android skin known as One UI. Now packed into One UI, you have the option of grabbing an amazing app called GoodLock, which I really think doesn't get enough attention. So in the past couple of weeks, GoodLock has updated to be compatible with the Android 10 version of One UI. And so today's video is all about my favorite app that you can find within GoodLock 2020. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into GoodLock 2020's Task Changer.
Okay, so if you're anything like me, you tend to avoid any sketchy app stores, which means you probably have not gone into the Galaxy Store before, which looks like this. You're used to using probably the Play Store, but in order to get GoodLock, you have to go into the Samsung Galaxy Store. So you can go in there, search up GoodLock. Here's what the app screen looks like. And once you've installed it and you actually open up the app, this is what you'll see. So I've already installed these apps here. If you go to the family section, then you can pick and choose which apps it is that you want to use. But for me, and for this video, the one that we're focusing on is the Task Changer. So once you go into the Task Changer, which looks just like this, if I turn Task Changer off, then we're all used to this type of scrolling through apps when we're using an Android device, or namely a Samsung device. So the Task Changer, what it does is it switches the method or the format of your app switches. So for example, if I turn on the stack mode and then I go back in, you can see that it looks a little bit different. So now I can scroll to the left, they kind of overlap on each other, and it's just a different presentation, a more aesthetically pleasing presentation of seeing your apps. Now, what's really cool with some of these is that they have the option for a mini mode. So if I turn mini mode on and go back into this, then you can see that the apps have now shrunk down closer to where my thumb would be resting when I'm scrolling through. And it just makes it a lot easier for using this one-handed. So if you are somebody that has small hands and you usually have trouble navigating through your apps and then clicking on them, then it just makes it a lot easier for you. Now, my preferred method when using Task Changer is actually the slim list. So as you can see, I have a ton of stuff open in my background at any time. And I guess I've become more lazy when it comes to closing apps because of how much RAM the Note 10 Plus has. So I tend to use the slim list layout because me personally, I find that whenever I'm trying to switch through an app, I already know exactly which app it is I'm trying to get into. So just by seeing the app's name, it just makes it a lot easier to, quickly flip in. I want to get to YouTube Studio, bang, I click YouTube Studio, and I'm in. Versus going back to the other methods, so going back to the stack or grid or whichever one, and then now when I'm trying to look through, I'm looking through by picture and not necessarily, by screenshot and not necessarily by the app's name. So in terms of efficiency, I've always found the slim list to be the one that is the most useful because I'm able to just quickly jump in, Spotify, boom, jump back out. Oh, let me get back to GoodLock, and then there I am. So very good app. Me personally, I find this to be the most useful out of the GoodLock suite. I know there's lots of other things that you can do in order to change your home screen and change your lock screen and all that stuff, but this is the one that I find that I use the most and the one that I always have on. So in the future, I do want to do a little bit more and talk a little bit more about GoodLock and the other apps that are available, but for now, check out the Task Changer because I do think that this will change your whole experience while using a Samsung device. So that's it for me. Much love as always, throwing up 2 of them, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.